Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be solving a very classic question, that is reversing a string. Now this question can be solved in so many ways, right? You can literally just iterate an array in a reverse order. You can convert that string into a character array. You can iterate it in reverse order and your string will be reversed, right? But let's say you have to do it with stacks. Now how you are going to reverse a string using a stack? Let's look into that. Let me remove that. As part of last video, we already discussed what is stack, what is LIFO, and its common use cases. If you are not aware of this, go to that video as well. So yeah, let's come to the point and reverse a string using stack. Let's say you have a string, its name is, so what do we take as a name? Let's take my name only, Shubham. Now we want to reverse it. Let me explain you how it's going to happen logically. So first we are going to use one stack, right? In that stack we'll iterate. First we'll convert this string to a character array, and every single element from the array we'll be storing in that particular stack. Now we'll create another loop. That loop will continue until that stack becomes empty, and we'll create a temporary variable that will be our result, which will just keep on taking the values from the particular stack and it will just append to it, and at the end it will return the particular result, which is your final answer. Now let's implement that, whatever I'm talking right now. For each character in name dot now for each character, what are we doing? Name dot toChar array. Okay, let's create that stack as well. We haven't created that stack. I have created a stack of character. Okay, now I have iterated through each of the values in this particular character array. I have added to our stack. Now what do we need to do? I think this is a single line. We no need to add brackets there. Yeah. So now what do we want to do? We want to have a while loop. You can use other loops as well. I'm taking while loop because it's more meaningful here. While this stack is not empty. While the stack is not empty, I'm taking one more variable string, reverse. I have taken an empty string there. Now what I want to do, until this stack is not empty, right? In that particular reverse, you keep on adding. I want to make stack dot pop. Every time whatever is being popped from the stack, I want to add it to the reverse string. So once you have added everything in this particular reverse method, right, you can just go ahead and print it, reverse. Now if you go ahead and print, you should get this Shubham in opposite direction, which is what you are getting. So our implementation is correct. Now something can be improved there. Now what is that? So we are using a variable reverse, which is string. Now with every single iteration, when we are appending the particular element which is being popped from the stack, right, we are appending to a reverse string. Now with strings are actually immutable in Java, right? So with every single iteration, you are actually creating a new object and appending the string to that particular character which is being popped from stack, right, adding to that one. So with every single iteration, you are actually creating a new string. You are actually creating a new object of this reverse string, which is highly inefficient. So instead of string, right, we can take string buffer. Now I'll be creating another video for what is the difference between string buffer and string builder. But for now, just know that strings are immutable in Java, string buffer is not. That's all you need to know for now. So reverse dot append that particular character which is being popped from the stack. Now in the end we are just printing it. We are supposed to get the same answer even now, and you're getting that. But this implementation is more efficient. You can later make it more efficient by using something else instead of stack, but currently the topic that I'm explaining is stack. That's why I'm making use of stack only. So you see what you have done. Just a recap. This was the input to the particular program, the particular string, and then you have created a stack. You have taken a temporary variable which is reverse. You have taken as a string buffer, not a string, because strings are immutable in Java. You have taken string buffer because with every single iteration it won't create a new object. In first loop, what you have done, you have iterated through every single element in that particular character array which was formed by this string only, using this toChar array method. For every single character in this particular string, you have pushed to that particular stack. Now you created another loop which you are iterating until your stack becomes empty, and the reverse variable that you have created, right, you are appending every single element which is being popped from the stack. So how it is happening, whatever element you have entered in the last, right, that will be on top. So when you call this stack.pop, right, from top only it will start removing. So that's how it is being reversed, and you are just printing that. You can have this in a separate method, and you can print this particular reverse variable. So yeah, that's how you reverse string using stacks. I hope it was an easy, very easy implementation. Just understand this. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment on the video. I'll explain that. Next video we'll be doing one more very classic question on the arrays, which is balanced expression. Once we are done with that, we'll be implementing the stack from ourselves, and that's it. That's all I'm going to discuss as part of this video. See you in the next video. May the source be with you.